We're here today at my new listing at 37102 Barrington Parkway in Bishop's Landing in Millville, Delaware. I love this community because it is amenity rich. You really truly get that resort style experience. It's also great if you're looking for an investment for rentals. Let's go check it out. This home is a contemporary colonial and it features an open floor plan. As you come in, it has a formal dining room, which could also be used as a study or an office. Every detail has been considered in this beautiful gourmet kitchen. You have stainless steel Whirlpool appliances. You've got a beautiful gray and black granite countertops, a center island, which is perfect for meetings and for entertaining, and a gourmet 5-burner gas stove with gourmet oven. This beautiful kitchen opens into a great room that overlooks a farm field, so it's a very private premium location. And then you have palladium windows at the top, so it's a light-filled room. It's very comfortable. The open floor plan opens to a poured concrete rear veranda. You've got, oh, there's a deer. We've got some friends. It opens up to a farm field. If you have a barrier to the back of the property, that'll grow in and give you some privacy. And if you wanted to add a fence, you certainly could. What I also like about this floor plan is you have a great common meeting area, and then you have a private first floor master. So it really is suitable to one-level living. So the master bathroom is beautifully appointed. You've got this beautiful gray tile, again, the white upgraded cabinetry. We have a tiled shower and then a bench as well. And then a walk-in closet right off the master bath. So it's a very smart contemporary floor plan that takes into consideration a lot of consumer needs. All in all, just a beautiful home. So the second level of this contemporary floor plan, to the right, we have a full master suite, which is perfect for extended stays for your guests. And then to my left, we have 2 additional guest rooms, and then you have a common full bath as well. At the top of the landing, we have a loft area, which right now is staged for playing games or cards. This area is really versatile, could be used as a larger office. I know a lot of clients like to have a little bit of privacy, and it's great because it also opens into the great room, so it's easy to talk to your spouse or the people that are in the house or on the next lower level. This second level master suite has its own full bath, and then it has a beautiful view overlooking the neighboring farm. If you're looking for a beach home in a resort style community, we're here in Bishop's Landing, about 10 minutes from Bethany Beach.